The Cybertruck's design draws inspiration from cyberpunk aesthetics, featuring an angular, polygonal body that stands out from traditional truck designs. This futuristic look combines sharp edges with a minimalist profile, creating a vehicle that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. These geometric shapes are designed for aerodynamic efficiency, achieving an impressive drag coefficient of 0.35. This low coefficient means the truck cuts through air more efficiently than most vehicles, improving range and performance. The design prioritizes functionality, featuring a vault-like cabin that enhances security and a frameless windshield that provides superior visibility for the driver. These features work together to create a vehicle that's both practical and visually striking. At the core of this design is a hexagonal exoskeleton that provides structural integrity without the need for traditional vehicle frames. This innovative approach makes the Cybertruck incredibly durable while maintaining its unique appearance. Unlike conventional pickup beds, the Cybertruck's utility bed is modular and highly customizable. It includes a front trunk, and a flatbed that can be adapted with various Tesla ecosystem accessories, such as tonneau covers, bike racks, and toolboxes. Supporting payloads up to 3,500 pounds, it integrates with Tesla's Megapack for energy storage, turning the bed into a mobile power station. This versatility allows users to transform it into a camper, work van, or cargo hauler. The Cybertruck's body is constructed from ultra-hard 30AGS cold-rolled stainless steel, a Tesla-developed alloy designed for extreme durability. This alloy is corrosion-resistant, dent-proof, and virtually bulletproof against small arms fire, making it incredibly tough for real-world use. At the microscopic level, the stainless steel has a polycrystalline structure with grain boundaries that contribute to its exceptional strength. This material eliminates the need for paint, which reduces maintenance costs and environmental impact from paint production and application. The stainless steel's high tensile strength, exceeding 1,500 MPa, enables lightweight yet durable construction that contributes to the truck's overall stability. Overall, this durable stainless steel construction enhances the Cybertruck's stability and ensures long-term performance in demanding conditions. The Cybertruck has proven its utility in real-world scenarios. During the 2024 California wildfires, a fleet of Cybertrucks was deployed for rapid evacuation and as mobile charging stations, delivering power to remote sites. Construction firms like Granite Construction have adopted Cybertrucks for their durability and resistance to abrasives, saving significant fuel costs compared to diesel counterparts. These applications highlight the Cybertruck's practical benefits in challenging environments. The Cybertruck's design flexibility has inspired a thriving aftermarket ecosystem. Custom builds, such as the one owned by YouTuber Marques Brownlee, showcase the modular bed retrofitted as a mobile workshop. By late 2025, Tesla approved over 500 third-party add-ons, enhancing the truck's versatility for various applications.